Hey Soph, here's a real quick version of how you play in E on acoustic and use these drone voicings. You take like an A chord and play, instead of playing the full A for 3 fingers, just play an A sus2 chord. Play it with these fingers because what we're going to do is just move that shape. That'll work for an A chord. Then you move up to B and you move those fingers up and you put your first finger there on the 2nd fret on the A string B note. So you end up with, and then still the open B and E string, right? Not hitting the low E. That's a B chord. There's your A, there's your B. Here's your C sharp minor. Same shape, just up at the 4th fret, C sharp in the bass, that's the note there, C sharp. And then you go on up to the 7th fret, the 3rd dot, or at least on this it is anyway, 7th fret, and that's your E. You can even smash the low E on that. So you end up with those 4 chords, you're just moving those around, and that'll do everything for you. You just get this jangly stuff on top with the E and the B string, sounds great. So, that's E, and A, and A, and E, and E can set for B. C sharp minor, and na, 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 you made beautiful hearted. That sort of making sense, I hope. You get this really big, sounds great for acoustics. So once again, yeah, just you got to keep first finger on the root note. So that's open A, B at the 2nd fret, C sharp at the 4th fret, all on the A string, and E at the 7th fret. And you keep the other 2 fingers just 2 frets apart, and then right underneath together for the octave. And then those drones, the B and the E, change the quality of the chords. So technically that's an A sus2, that's a B sus4, but it works, it's fine. C sharp minor 7, and just an E5 chord. Hope that helps.